new toy. What did Santa just bring us? Yeah, we pull the trigger. Brand new Kubota excavator that will have fun stuff attached to the front of it. Boys, get this thing unchained. This is probably the only time I'll ever sit this thing. Stylish, got a little sunroof. Oh yeah, this thing is classy. Okay, it goes backwards, and it goes forwards. Okay, check, check. It does the little arm thing. I'm the least qualified person here to operate this thing.
Taking it home with me already.
You're gonna drive it home?
Yeah.
It's a little slow driving home.